What's up everybody? Kyle with ePoolSupply. Today I'm going to walk you through the Pentair Kreepy Krauly model 360042 or model 360040 on how to change out the foot pad. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So today, again, we got the Kreepy Krauly. This is just the base model. Today we actually have the flat seal model 360040. It also works for the model 360042. But today this is the one we have, and I'm gonna walk you through how to change the foot pad. So, you can see right here, you got the nice pretty foot pad. This one's actually brand new. We actually just took this one out of the box. So, brand new, real tight on here. And as you can see, it does have a lot of these ridges on the foot pad itself, which one major thing you can tell when it's time to replace this part is once these ridges start to go down and become real flat to the parts that are in between each ridge, you can tell that that's time to go and you need a new foot pad. So first things first is to get the old one off, you just peel it off. You can see, real simple. So one big key for installation is make sure you start from this side of the cleaner head and work your way to the front. With this flat edge on the front, it makes it a lot easier to get this lip of the new foot pad over the edge. So give me 1 second, bear with me, and I'll work it on. So one thing I did find too is if you use a little flat head, try not to puncture anything. It does help with edging it around so that it gets on there. So you can just kind of move your way forward. Kind of get your fingers in there, help it over the edge. As you can see on this side, same thing, kind of peel it back, help it over the edge as much as possible here. There you go. So then the new one will slide on just like that. Doesn't spin, kind of spins, especially with a new one, but most of the time it'll just kind of sit on there nice and flat for you. So here you go. So today we walk through how to change a foot pad on a Kreepy Krauly. This is for model 360042 or model 360040, which is a builder model. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.